Congratulations on your new Permasteel cooler. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps for your assembly that you can easily do at home. Now, we recommend choosing a level protected surface for working. Let's get started. As we've opened a lot of boxes, we've learned that it's sometimes easier to open the bottom of the box, fold the cardboard flaps back, put the box back on its face, and then slide it up to give access to all of its contents. Remove all the parts and lay them out accordingly to the diagram in your use and care guide. Step 1. Place the leg frames on a clean, soft surface. You'll be placing the bottom panel on one of the legs first and then raising them back up to align to the other leg. Step 2. Insert the casters into the leg frame holes. Thread them into each leg frame using the provided open-end wrench, attaching the casters with brakes on one side and the casters without brakes on the other. Step 3. Attach the crossmember to the leg frames using the needed bolts and fully tighten with the provided Allen wrench. Step 4. Attach the handles to the cooler's body using 12 bolts, 6 for each handle. Step 5. Lift the basin and place it on top of the base assembly. Make sure the rubber inserts are placed inside the leg frame holes properly. Step 6. To attach the bottle opener to the body of the cooler, we'll be using 2 bolts. Insert them into the body of the basin, then tighten them with an Allen wrench provided. Next, you will attach the cap catcher to the body of the cooler using 2 shoulder bolts. Then, you'll also tighten them with the Allen wrench provided. Step 7. Insert one rubber gasket onto the drain plug. Pass the drain plug through the hole from the inner base. Then attach the second rubber gasket and the chain ring. Use the open wrench provided to attach the nut and securely tighten. Now we'll lift the lid on one side to reveal the lid knob. Remove the knobs using a screwdriver with a cross head top and reassemble them on the lid right side up. Now you're all set and ready to enjoy your new cooler. If you need any additional details, please refer to your use and care guide, which can also be found online at permasteel.life. You can also visit the link in the description for our customer service information and be sure to subscribe for future care and maintenance tips. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.